two trending stocks, USAU and XTIA. So we'll begin with USAU. It is up 2.17% in the regular session of today, the 11th of June. There's some news, but it's not out here about its inclusion in the Russell 1000. So what we can see here is that the stock is in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is still sloping bullishly upwards and has, a strong bullish trend. Okay, well, the stock has continued to print higher highs and higher lows. We have a couple of upper projections. We have 13.85 and 14.9, 14.56 on its daily chart. The extrapolation is more of a slightly distributive contraction that is expected to play out. That may not be the case. Okay, so yeah, let's see now. Before now, did we have anything? No, no, those are nothing. No over projections higher than what we have. So, but we can try and calculate one. Can try and get a bit more bullish, believing that it's believed that gold will continue to print higher highs. So why not just do so? Okay, we take 14.15, and then we take 13.12. So that will give us a difference of 1.33. 1.33. That will be the difference of the two prices of the high and the low. 1.33. Yeah, calculator coming up. 1.33 multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 2.15. Add that to the current price of 13.45. We have 15.6 for USAU. 15.60. And then 1.33 multiplied by 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 3.48. Add that to the current price of 13.49. We have 16.97. 16.97. Okay, 1.33 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 4.81 add to 13.49. We have 18.3. Yeah, I'm quite positive that at some point they will print. Gold is not looking back anytime soon. Yeah, but I could be wrong. But in any case, we're holding on to those. Let's have a look at the 1 week chart and see. Okay, here we might get validations of our projections. So here, underlying trend is now slightly bullish. What we have is in terms of projections, we have 13.27, 15.52. Yeah, if you like a validation of our projection, we have 15.6, and then 16.91. Yeah, we have 16.97. So yeah, so if you were in doubt, the algos are not doubting us either way. Let's see now. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we have a distributive contraction that is expected to maybe begin to kick in from Thursday, from tomorrow, and might at various times may defy the bearish trend and may attempt to retest the highs of maybe tomorrow. But ultimately, it's a redistributive contraction that is expected. There's no guarantee that that will happen. Let's pick up the projections. We have 13.84, 16.35, 17.69, okay, 18.52. So, yeah, another validation of our projections. This is the 4-hour chart. Okay, let's have a look at the 3-hour chart. Okay, same distributive contraction and same projections as well, all the way towards 18.52. Let's look at the 2 hour chart. Yes. Well, the extrapolations end at, projections end at 16.42, but the range is between 12.79 and 16.42 for the 2 hour chart. Higher prices extrapolated as against what we have on the 3 and the 4 hour charts. Let's see here now on the 1 hour chart, we have projections between 11.48 and 15.01. Yeah, okay. So let's have a look at the next stock, which is XTIA. XTIA is up 50.88%, intraday high $7.43. It's likely to, let's see now. It is, yeah, okay, trading right outside of its price channel, XTIA. XTIA, okay, it hasn't doesn't have enough data on its weekly chart, but regardless, there are projections here. We have 13.46, 18.24, 21.19 XTI Aerospace. Let's quickly see if there's any news. XTI Aerospace deepens defense sector expertise with addition of Steve Grisel to corporate advisory board. And 6 days ago, it welcomed from Apple and Pratt Whitney technologists and senior advisor. Okay, so let's look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, okay, it's fascinating what's going on here. Let's enlarge. Okay, we have, what do we have? 2.89, a downward projection. Okay, no extrapolations. It hasn't been trading for long enough. There isn't enough data to do extrapolations. Let's look at the 4 hour charts. Yeah, we have here. Okay, lower prices are extrapolated, and yeah, a distributive contraction is expected to kick in. We don't exactly know why it's up by the amount of why it's run up and the amount of gain it ran up today. Upper projection, rather, we have a downward projection of 2.47 on this 4 hour chart. Let's look at the 3 hour chart. Yeah, high prices are extrapolated. The reverse of what we saw on the 4 hour chart is a mix of things. So we have 2.47 still, downward projection. Okay, let's look at the 2 hour chart. Here we have a contraction that is pretty much neutral, if you like, if you sum up everything. Downward projection of 2.04. 1 hour chart, let's see what we have. 1 hour chart, we have, yeah, somewhat neutral contraction as well. 3.8 is it's a downward projection. So we could try and come up with a projection for XTIA. Let's look at the 1 minute chart to see if there are radical projections. We have between three, okay, we have 3.11, 3.55, 4.26, 4.99, 5.22, 5.35. Yeah, there was 7.18. 7.18 is that, was it not, is it not the intraday high? 7.43 intraday high. Okay, let's see. We may find radical projections. Let's see, 5 minutes. We have 6.26, 4.26. Okay, let's see. XTIA, highly volatile. Let's see what we can do. Can we try and come up with something? 7.43. And okay, not the best. Just losing some ground. Where can we get the figure we need? The Let's see the 3 hour chart. Maybe we might find something there. Okay, well, let's look at 1 day daily chart. Nothing here. Do we have anything here? Not enough data here on that 3 hour chart. Nothing. Okay. I think we have to make do with this. Take 7.43 and 3.06. That will give us 4.37. 4.37. So there. 4.37, that's the difference. 4.37 multiplied by 1.618. We have 7.07. And then add that to the current price of 4.56. Not the best time to be projecting further, but we're doing so anyway. Not the best time. XTIA. So we have 11.63. I don't. I'm getting a bit skeptical, but we'll keep it anyway. 4.37 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to 4.55. We have 15.99. Okay. 4.37 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to 4.55. We have 20.36. Okay. No guarantee that those projections will be printed or will print. Okay. So see what you make of USAU and XTIA. And thank you very much for watching this video.